American Pride is a wonderful 5-bedroom chalet nestled among the trees in one of the most requested communities in Deep Creek Lake, Blakesley. A few steps into the home, you will find yourself entering the elegantly decorated great room, which features stunning cathedral ceilings, a stone fireplace, and wide-open windows that allow nature to gently filter through. The spacious open floor plan flows into the kitchen and dining area seamlessly. The gourmet state-of-the-art kitchen will make preparing meals a delight. There are quality stainless steel appliances and gorgeous granite countertops that surround the room, including a large island with seating for 5. The main level leads to the large deck that wraps around the house, providing outstanding views. With plenty of seating, the deck will lead you to the gazebo where an inviting hot tub awaits you. Have a fantastic barbecue with your family. Then head down to the huge front yard for a game of horseshoes. Afterwards, gather around the fire pit for laughs and great conversation. The lower-level family room is the perfect spot to unwind. Challenge a friend to an exciting game of pool or curl up in front of the crackling fire on the plush leather sofas and watch a Blu-ray on the flat-screen TV. Friends and family will enjoy 4 wonderful bedrooms with luxury bedding and flat-screen TVs, as well as 2 accommodating full bathrooms. There's also a double futon in the upper-level loft. Make your way to the exquisite spacious master suite, where a king-sized bed will provide a true night of comfort. The grand master bathroom has a walk-in shower, a divine double sink vanity, and a soothing jetted tub. Each bedroom offers a unique pillow menu with pillows that range from soft to firm. When you stay at American Pride, you will have a dock slip at the community dock, hiking and biking trails, and access to the large heated indoor swimming pool, playground, clubhouse, basketball courts, and tennis courts. American Pride will give you and your family an incredible Deep Creek vacation. Call today for more information on reserving this amazing home.